Welcome to Rameshvoice. Speak English now. Bruno the Puppy. Bruno, go and fetch the ball, Sachin called out to his puppy. Bruno rushed towards the ball. He came back with the ball. He wagged his tail. Well done, Bruno. You are my best friend. Come, let's go. Sachin hugged Bruno. What's that sound? Oh, a fish seller. Bruno ran towards the gate. The gate is open. Sachin ran after Bruno. Bruno! Bruno! Don't go out! Sachin shouted. But Bruno ran out of the gate. Sachin became sad. Father! Sachin called out. Did you see my puppy? Sachin asked a woman on the street. Yes, I just saw one running to the park, said the woman. Where is the park? It's not far from here. Go straight. It's near the bus stand, said the woman, pointing to the park. Thank you. Sachin and his father hurried to the park. What a nice place! Bruno ran around the park. He sat on the swing. The swing moved to and fro. He jumped down from the swing. Wow! A slide. He climbed up and slid down. He rolled on the grass. A climber. He climbed up. Bruno then jumped onto a bench. Go away, shouted a boy. Bruno ran off. Sachin and his father couldn't find Bruno anywhere. Did you see a puppy? Sachin asked a boy. Is it a white puppy with black spots? The boy asked. Yes. Which way did it go? That way, to the right, said the boy, pointing to a shop. Oh, how beautiful! Bruno looked at the balloons. The balloons were bouncing up and down. Bruno tried to catch them. Bang! A balloon burst. Bow! Bow! Bruno ran away, frightened. Balloon man, did you see a puppy? Sachin asked. Was it your puppy? It burst one of my balloons. He looked quite angry. Sorry, uncle. We will pay for it. It's all right. I saw your puppy in front of the vegetable shop. Where is the vegetable shop? Sachin asked. Go straight, then turn left, said the balloon man. Thank you, uncle, Sachin said. Bruno ran into the vegetable shop. A ball. Bruno kicked at a potato. It went under a box. Then he jumped onto a pumpkin. It started rolling. Red balls. He climbed on the box of tomatoes. It fell down. Tomatoes scattered all over the floor. "Hey, naughty dog, get off from here!" the vegetable seller shouted and raised a stick. Bruno ran off. "The pup went away. I'll kill him if it comes again. He messed up my shop," the vegetable seller shouted angrily. "Look, father, he beat my Bruno." Sachin started crying. "My dear, don't cry. We will get him back." Father patted him on his shoulder. "It's getting late. Let's go home." "Look, father, there is our Bruno." Sachin ran to Bruno. Bruno jumped into Sachin's arms. "You naughty pup, where were you?" Sachin asked. Bruno wagged its tail. "Come on, dear." Sachin hugged Bruno. "Oh, you are so dirty. Come, let's have a wash."